Hey, we're here. We're here. We're a little bit late, but we're here. Everybody calm down. Good morning, everybody. Trading Ever After, good morning. You are first. NP, Namak. Let's go. Carngill, Nicholas. Good morning, good morning. Scalping with Tom, UCLA, good morning. How's it going, fellas? Let us have us a good day. Hey, Black Coffee, good morning, good morning. Let's go. Let's have a nice, calm, green day. No tilt sessions today. Everybody say it with me. Hey, Rad Poker, good morning. Man, the market is still wanting to go down. We did have a pretty nice move in the overnight session, actually. I actually traded, I was working last night, and I ended up trading most of this move, and I actually had a really productive overnight session of trading. I love it. I love when we had these nice trends. Oh, this here was a nice move. But now, we again, right at the open, we just immediately sell off. And now we're down to the pivot point here at the 80s. The overnight session low was the 900s, the 19,000s, I mean. So, I don't know. Are we going to go test the 19,000s here? Possibly. Now we're getting a bounce. Hey, good morning, Daryl. Good morning, Jack Wiley. Ryan, good morning. Rain, good morning. No tilt Friday. That's right. I like it. I like it. Hey, good morning, Vider. Good morning. Good morning. See if we want to make a move higher or not. Just going to keep dumping this thing, huh? She wants to go lower. Okay, let's see if we make new lows. I don't know what to think of this. We are definitely looking a little bit, okay, now we're looking a little bullish. The buyer's stepping in, ripping this thing higher. Does she want to rip? Hey, Rosie Rose, good morning. R5 Studios, good morning. K Trader, good morning. Russell. Win, good morning. Good morning. Let's see what, I don't know what to expect. If we look at the daily chart, daily chart is definitely interesting. I don't know. I don't know, man. We could see this thing do a little bit of. I wouldn't be shocked if we see this thing rip lower today once again, but I also wouldn't be surprised if we finally see a green day. It has been. It's been a crazy pullback the last, what is it, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, last 12 days. The last 12 days have definitely been pretty crazy. Sarith, if Apex is down, let me check. Not that I was aware of. Doesn't look down to me. All right. See if the bulls are going to push this thing higher, or is it right now we're kind of at this important. We got VWAP right here. Is he going to rip? Nope. Lots of wiki candles here. Definitely not looking great for the bulls. Okay. Let's see if the bulls can push this above the 150, 145 area here. Nope. Rejected. Rejected and going lower. A few of us are waiting on PAs. That's where the Apex down question is coming from. Oh, really? Black coffee. I see. So is it the creating accounts is a little bit slow right now, I assume? You've been waiting 8 hours? Oh, wow. That's interesting. Oh, they're backed up on the PA accounts. I see. That's interesting. I was not aware. Okay, this thing now down to the 90s. Testing this pivot point again. I kind of expect if we lose that pivot point, then we got to think we're going to come test this 19,000 level again. Okay, here we go. This is where sometimes taking just a quick scalp here seems like it would be a pretty high probability win, but see what we do here at the 80, 90 level. Maybe it'll bounce. Also, do we have news? I think we have news. We have news at 10 o'clock, right? Came back logged in was long 6 on all my accounts. But your leader account, Yeah, I see, Matty Matt. That tells me you have another. I hate to be the guy, but you likely. Ugh. It filled 6 contracts MNQ. That is so weird, Matty Matt. I really hope you're not using the Apex trade copier still. Yeah, we have news at 10, but I don't think it's going to do anything. Nothing major. But that sucks, Matty Matt. Yeah, I would not either. Yeah, don't do it. Okay, getting a big bounce again off the 90s, all the way back up to the 125s. Okay, can we see a push above the 150s? This is going to be the next area. See if it wants to keep going. Yeah, it's just more the concern, Matty Matt, that I don't know, like that's why I would just not. I've just heard too many negative things about the Apex trade copier, because even though I think some of it, I don't know. Okay, here we go, above the 140s. Every time we haven't been able to push through the 140s so far. Lots of big wicks right here. Lots of wiki action. Kind of looking, I mean, if this continues to reject here, man, you'd think a short would be a pretty good play, but see if we get a move above the 150s. Okay, here we go. Above the 140s. Let's see if we get above the 150s here. Then we can possibly, it might be looking to make a move to the 240, maybe the pre-market high. And down we go again. And pulling back. Very choppy action here. Very, very choppy right now. Use the trade cover for me, but I connect with CQG from trade day first and then connect my Apex. Oh, I see. That's interesting, Carolina. Hey, good morning, Almighty. Good morning, good morning. Good to see you. Apex copier is like DCA. It works until it doesn't. That's very true, Carngill. All my evals are very green. Let's go. My 1 PA is blown. Oh, man. How does that work? You tell me. You tell me, and then we'll both know, because I've had the same thing happen. Wow, look at that rejection off the 40s. And now we have made new lows. This market, again, being pretty volatile. Volatile but choppy. What am I looking at? All right, we're continuing to go lower. Down through the 70s. This is a little bit of an area of support right here at the 60s, but wow. It looks like we're going to go test that overnight low. But, oof. Let me look. All right, getting a bounce off the 60s. It's very, market is very choppy today. A lot of ranging price action here. Okay, making a bounce. Making a move higher now. Hey, Latex. Do you build a buffer on your PA accounts before taking a payout? How much do you leave in the accounts if you do so? Up to now, I have not done a lot of buffers. Though I guess, by the way, man, I had a great overnight session and pre-market just now a little bit, but these 3 accounts here are the 50K accounts. Now, these are the accounts that I had built a buffer before I took a payout, and I still have these accounts, so I guess that's kind of proof that you should always build a buffer, but it's a little bit easier said than done, I feel like, because sometimes trying to build a buffer, you can lose an account, so we got to keep that in mind as well. But I mean, in an ideal situation, I really want to have a buffer built before I take a payout, which is also why I really like the 150K accounts. The 150K accounts, even if once you get to a payout threshold, you take out the max payout, you still have $2,000 of drawdown left. So then I don't feel like it's as important to have a buffer with the 150 and 200K accounts because you already kind of have a buffer once you get to that payout threshold. Hey, good morning, John. What times do I trade overnight? Go and trades. I mean, honestly, it depends. Like, for example, um, last night I took my first trade right here, which was 1900 hours. What time is that? Oh, I'd have to. I'm terrible at math right now. 7 o'clock? No, that's not 7. That's 11 o'clock, I think. No, it's not. Jeez. 8 o'clock. Anyway, one of those o'clocks it is. But I started trading right here, and I had a really good session. I don't think I had one losing trade in the overnight session. Like I traded here, and I just kept trading the pullbacks on this move higher. I took a couple trades. Basically, just waited for the EMA to touch or get close. I went long, and I literally did it until I went to bed. I went to bed at 1 o'clock. So I think it was somewhere in here. Here was, I was going through some drawdown right here, but it was somewhere right in here that I went to bed. I went to bed right before. I don't usually trade when it's like the 3 o'clock. The London sessions I usually don't trade. I'm just not awake for that. But and then this morning, I started trading right here. I started trading again this morning at 7:30. So it was one of those sessions where it just has gone really well. Knock on wood. I actually now have traded. I've traded all of my 150K accounts today. So we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All 10 150K accounts have been traded, and we are at 4,000 in profit. Let's get it. So now I'm going to probably look to trade these 50Ks. And then if I still like the setups and like the price action, I'll probably trade. We still need to trade the Behemoth account. The Behemoth account is officially 10,000 in profit. Let's go. I like it. But it is kind of weird, honestly. Trading an account with $10,000 of drawdown is pretty insane. I got to be careful that I don't start thinking that I can go bigger size, even though I probably could. I don't think it's worth it. Not with this kind of volatility. All right, market trying to make a move here. Yeah, let's go, John. I do too. I do too. But man, I don't know why I don't know what it is about it. I just cannot seem to keep my funded accounts. I actually did on the take profit. Like I'm like a degenerate. I just can't. I don't know when to stop trading. I don't know when I need to stop trading. Hey, Jonah May, any giveaway? I don't know yet. Maybe. I don't know. This depends. See how it goes. Oh man, no way design. Oh, design. I'll give you an internet virtual hug. I feel like you need a hug. That sucks. All right, here we go. I mean, one thing I've noticed so far today is the sell-off is definitely not as extreme as it has been in the past couple days. So I'm kind of looking for something to move higher, but we just gotta wait. Also, we got orange news at 10 o'clock, 2 minutes. Hey, Jose, good morning. I think you know when to stop. It's just hard to resist. Yeah, it is definitely. It's when I don't have a consistency. Like this is where sometimes I'm like, maybe prop firms, like maybe some of these rules are actually there to help us. I know the overall consensus is, and I do agree with this, is a lot of these prop firm rules are put in place, it protects the prop firm, but with my trading, some of it actually does help. And I do feel like a consistency rule has actually helped me get payouts. And it's been actually very evident because with Apex, I have a consistency rule. So I don't really have a desire. Like once I hit a certain dollar amount, I have no desire to keep trading. I really don't have any desire to keep trading once I have a certain amount of profit. And it's very easy for me to walk away. But then for take profit trader, I don't have a consistency rule. And there's been times I've been up $2,000 in a funded account. And I was, I'm just like, oh, I just can't walk away and end up giving it all back and something like that. So I don't know. It's definitely requires discipline. I mean, it's my own fault. I just need to have more discipline and just walk away. Yeah, they don't give a crap about it. That's right, John. I do agree with that. As much as Apex, even anyone, any prop firm that's out there always saying how they're here for the trader and they want to make profitable traders. And that's a lot of, oh, wow. That news came out, actually did move the market a little bit. And now we are ripping. She ripping, boys. Was up 150, gave it all back plus another 200. New rules done for the day. Good deal, Code Poker. Stick to it. I think that's one thing, when you make your rules and you actually stick to it for a day, it starts to kind of build your confidence that you can do it. Take it one day at a time, just one day at a time. All right, here we are at the 150s. Hmm. Yeah, I agree, John. I agree. You have winners, you need to let them ride. With that being said, consistent days over the long run is a better way. It is, John, and it's also I I think it's very difficult depending on the market conditions. Like right now, when we're seeing such big moves and like up and down, it's so, I just don't think it's like right now. If you got in at the bottom here and you're up, X amount of dollars to, that's pretty hard to keep holding this trade when this thing can just, we all know this thing can just come right back down to the 60s in a blink of an eye. So crazy volatility. 2 contracts to, so would you say 2 contracts to 2 to 400? Yeah, so right now I'm trading 2 contracts, and my target on my Apex accounts is $400 in profit per account. Then I move on to the next account. Yeah, John, it's just hard. Like it's hard. That's where I'm like, that's kind of why I have just kind of accepted the fact that the easiest path for me to profitability, the easiest path to me is to just look for 22 ticks and get out and look for another trade. Even if I get in on the same move, I'm okay with it. But I've tried to do runners. I've tried all that, and I think there's some people that definitely can do it, but I'm not one of them. I just cannot seem to. I just can't. I don't seem to have what it takes to hold the runners. I think it's also difficult with Apex if you have the trailing drawdown. Once you're away from the trailing drawdown, then it's easier, but. And now we're pulling back. Micros is the only way to survive week after week. Yeah, it can be. It can be. I definitely was on that micro train for quite some time. But there's a unique, it definitely can work. I'm not saying it can't. I just found more success trading one mini, 2 minis, 22 ticks. I don't know. We all got to do what works for us, I think. But man, what a move lower. Didn't we just talk about how this thing can come right back down to the 60s in a blink of an eye? You're witnessing it. Yep, you're witnessing it. This is what the market is today. This is what the market is come to. That's why you take your profits, in my opinion. You just take it, look for another entry. Because we have seen this movie way too many times. Your 30 stop loss always hit. Yeah, I feel like you definitely need a big stop loss at this right now. And I'm definitely using a pretty large stop loss on some trades, but you still got to be you got to be willing to cut your losses at, if once it gets to a certain point, you got to cut them. My research has shown that multiple target trades have less drawdown overall, but a single target trades make more money overall. Oh, interesting, Goan. That's good. That would definitely be what I've kind of experienced. All right. Here we are all the way down to the 70s. Getting a little bit of a bounce. The Dow is up 600? What? Oh my stars. Wow, man, I tell you what, this YM that's on a whole different kind of level. Unbelievable. I need a better hobby that doesn't involve burning cash for thrills. Yeah, I hear you, design. Uh all right. It's past 10 o'clock. I mean, the volatility is still pretty high. I was trying to debate if I want to be trading one mini or two or go to micros. Oh, excuse me. Oh man, design. That is heart-wrenching. Yeah, John, Apex is having some issues with activating PAs. I heard a couple different people mention it. They are a little bogged down at the moment. It must be yesterday. Must be yesterday. People passed a lot of evals, I guess. Man, 22 ticks here looks like such a small. Man, I don't know what to do here. Man, do I want to play this? I was kind of hoping on this move we'd go test the lows of the overnight session right here. I would be interested in, but now this might go without me. Oh, man. It looks like we kind of missed this. Which pro account do you go into after passing the original test? You just go into the pro account. Once you achieve, I think once you have $5,000 in profit, they give you the option to move to a pro plus account. You can deny that and then stay in the pro account. But once you achieve, I think it's 20,000 in profits, then you're forced to go into a pro plus account, which is the live account. I should have jumped in right here. Do I want to chase this or not? Okay, I guess we just wait now. Are we going to rip this? Yeah, it's nuts how volatile it is. It is. I think it's actually, I mean, if you're on the right side of it, it's really fun. If you're on the wrong side of it, it gets very maddening. Oh, hey, good morning, Jen. How's it going? That's just crazy design. That's crazy. All right, let's. Now I gotta be careful here. I don't want to go long right here. And down we go. Is this the move? Are we going to go test that lows? What is everyone's favorite prop firm to use? Oh, yeah. All right. Man. What? Wait a second. All right, let's. I mean, this is. See if we can get above the VWAP here. All right, here we go. Trying to make a push. And down we go. Pull them back again. Feel like the safer play here is to go short. We cannot get above that VWAP right now. But the same time, I'm not that excited about it either. See if we go below this 80 level. Okay, there we go. Now let's see if we continue. Okay, hang on. It's gonna rocket any time now. I'm just worried. I'm still worried that we want to go test these lows here, and I won't. I'm not. I don't want to be too aggressive. I'm gonna switch to micros and see if we can't get a little bit bigger move. Man, it would be tempting just to play this triple bottom here. I went against my... feel like this was a dumb trade, maybe. All right, I'm going to look for a move here. All right, I'm just going to take it. I'm going to take that on micros. I'll take that trade. But man, it's so crazy how volatile this is. Like, I mean, that was from the 80s to the 104s. Like, that's a 25-point trade that it seemed like it was 25 ticks. Crazy. But man, I might... dude, this is turning into my... well, I guess not with as far as actual profit. It's not the best day I've ever had, but this is actually one of the better days I've ever had. I shouldn't say that. I shouldn't say it before I'm actually done trading. But right now, there is a lot of green. I love seeing green. Green is quickly becoming my favorite color. We only have 5 more accounts to trade. Only thing that I wish I would have my behemoth account traded. Now I'm kind of scared to do it, but I'll take it. I will take it. I probably should just call it a day right here and call it a day and not mess up a really, really nice day so far. Shut it down, end the weekend, enjoy the weekend. Yeah, DL, it is kind of true. I would it can't get much better. Hulk green. Thank you, Brandon. All right, let's see. Let's see if we get above the VWAP here. Feel like if we come back and test this at 60 level, I don't know that it's going to hold another time. But man, look at this choppy price action right now. The boom boom says higher. I wouldn't be shocked if we go higher. All right, here we go. Testing the VWAP now. Let's see if we can get, this says legs. Yeah, it looks like we have some potential. Right at the 120s. Ooh, boy. Yeah, we ripping. We're breaking above this VWAP now. The bull train has officially started. It is where it would be nice if I could start holding my trades a little bit more, but I don't know. With this kind of choppy action, I don't think you can really go wrong with just taking your profits. But wow, nice break above the 130s. Now testing the 150s. Here we go. I just want to say all the live streams I watch this is by far the most wholesome, enjoyable. Hey, thank you, Candle Whisperer. I really do appreciate that. Kind words. Thank you very much. All right. See if we get through the 50s. And then we got to think probably what? Go test the highs maybe? The fact that we have not tested the lows after trying. The bears have had 3 tries to go test the lows here of the overnight, and they failed all 3 times. So I think the probabilities are going a little bit in favor of the bulls right now. If we can break above this 150. Now I just need to decide. Oh, wow. Let's go, Kid Poker. That's awesome. All green day means duck race. Yeah, I do feel like the day that I'm having so far, I'm feeling a duck race today. I'm feeling a duck race. Green on all accounts. Let's go, Matty Matt. You know, it's just, there's nothing better than ending the week on a Friday with some nice green profits and then calling it a day. And it's just something about very fulfilling heading into the weekend. And it's nothing worse than if you're green on a Friday morning and then you keep trading and by the end of the day you're red and then that's how you head into the weekend. Oh, there's nothing. That is not a good time. Live golf. The Reek Duck Race. All right, we are above the 150s. Let's see what happens. Imagine if I would have held my entry right here at the 80s. Imagine we'd be up 100 points right now. Just do duck races for fun. No giveaway required. I actually want to get it set up so that you guys can use your points and bet on which duck will win, you know, and then if you pick the right duck, you can have the option of tripling, quadrupling your points depending on what the odds are on that specific duck. I'm working on it. I'm working on getting all that stuff set up so that you guys can do it. Then you guys can be real degenerates with your points. We all know deep down, everyone here, deep down, we're all degenerates. Some of us just do a better job of hiding it or keeping it in check. Whoa, John. Wow. K Trader. John just flexed on you hard. K Trader checked his points, 339 points. And John goes, oh, check this. John with 936 points. What? Oh, that's too bad. Let's see design. Where's design? Design, you need to flex. Show him your points. All right, we're at the 190s. She wants to keep going. Ay, 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 ay. The Bulls are in town. I mean, this is where it's like, it's almost, it wouldn't be a terrible idea just to jump in here, but I mean, we're just chasing at that point. Nice daytime to shut down the platform. I agree. It kind of is. It kind of is, but it's only 10:30. I don't want to leave you guys this early. I guess we... Whoa, look at that. See? See? This is NQ at its very finest moments. And it is so hard to trade this right now. Like, it really is. I mean, I feel very me just saying that makes me realize how fortunate I am to be green today, because man, these pullbacks are violent. Borderline abusive. Crazy pullback. And the thing is, you kind of start getting used to this volatility. Like, you're like, oh, this doesn't look like that big of a move. Until you actually look at it and you realize, oh, wait, that's a 90-point pullback. That's 90 points. 360 ticks. So that's where it's like, dude, you just cannot. I mean, there's so many accounts right now probably being blown on this kind of price action. It's probably insane. I don't even want to know. I don't even want to know. Just switch to Quantower and use the building trade copier. Yeah, Matt. I think it for a free alternative, I think that might be the best alternative option. John, actually they do. They actually charge more in commissions than Apex does. Take Profit Trader charges you $2.50 per contract. What a rip lower. Absolutely insane. This actually now makes me actually want to just stop trading. Okay, I actually think... Let's see if she wants to rip lower. There's no way we triple bottom or quadruple bottom here, is there? There's no way. I mean, there is... Oh man, do I do it? Do I pull the trigger again? My gosh, I mean it's the same exact setup, but geez. Geez, Louise. I don't trust this. I don't think we're gonna hold. I mean, that was such a bearish move lower. I'm just not sure. I'm just not taking this. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Down we go. Man, I'm really happy I didn't jump in on that trade. Hold your horses. Hey, D Versatile. Apex is $3.98 per trade. It's $3.98 round trip D Versatility, but it's with take profit, it's $5 round trip. But yeah, I do know that a take profit is more expensive commissions than Apex. Is it normal to activate the account this morning and still not be active, Felipe? So right now, Apex is having some struggles. They're a little bit behind on creating PA accounts. I do know that. So just be aware of that. Yeah, people are still waiting for their PAs to be activated from the overnight session. So not sure what the deal is, but they're just back log back. I'm pretty sure yesterday probably a lot of people blew accounts and a lot of people passed evals, want to turn them into funded, and you know how that goes. Look at this though, man. This is now, it does look like a good play to the upside. Ooh, boys, do we do it? Oh, there it goes. Looks like it does want to push. Maybe. Kind of expect this to maybe do a little bit of a fake out to the upside and then make its move lower. Yeah, okay, here we go. See if this goes. Man, it's pretty amazing though how much this 70 level is holding up. It has been very much support. Lots and lots of support. Gosh, I'm so tempted to just give this another try. Want to start doing lives, but I always record a video. I lose the trade. I'm telling you, Felipe, there's something to it. I'm telling you, there is something to it that showing trades live, like it just puts an extra added curse on the trade. So you have to overcome that. Oh, I see, Matty Matt. Yeah. Yeah, I keep wanting to go in, but I keep hearing like, nope, I'm not doing it. Just be patient. Right now, there's just no need to push the envelope here. There's no need to take risky trades. No need at all. If I end the day right now the way I am, I will be considering this a great day. Hey, BJ Martin, you're late to the party? Well, you know what they say? You better late than never. Also, guys, hit the like button if you don't mind. I promise it will not hurt. If we get, maybe I'll do I don't usually like doing this, but maybe we'll do, sometimes I whore out just for likes. If we get a certain amount of likes, maybe we'll do a giveaway. Oh man, John, thank you very much. I think about that a lot. I do think about that a lot. On a trade copier, can you be on Apex and Top Step at the same time? Yes, you can. It's a little bit of a, you have to make sure you have the correct accounts. But if you, no, sorry, I take that back, DL. For some reason, you cannot connect the Tradeovate Top Step accounts to NinjaTrader. For some reason, you can't do it and have a Rhythmic connection at the same time. So I guess the answer would be, I don't think you can, DL, unless maybe, I guess with Quant Tower you could. You could with Quant Tower. Slow and steady, yeah, John. I think about how my trading has been. Like, I always try to be careful how I look at it because I still feel like I'm very new, and I'm not that great of a trader. I don't look at me that way, but I just kind of found something that works. Trading one account at a time has been my key. It's weird. So weird. Actually, not. I just don't care if I lose. I know that's almost sounds like a degenerate in a way, but you really have to go into trading with the mindset of just not caring if you lose. Like if you lose, it's just like water off a duck's back. And for me, I can get in that mindset if I'm trading one account at a time. Once I start copy trading, I start caring and I start getting frustrated with losses, and it just makes a difference. Methodical Manor Alpine does it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure using Quant Tower, you can connect the Top Step and an Apex account at the same time. I believe it's against the rules for Apex, BJ Martin. You mean to trade Top Step and Apex at the same time? I don't think so. Or what do you mean, BJ Martin? Let's go, John. Quack. Oh, look at this. There's the move higher. I cannot believe that the Bears can't get below the 60s. Ay, ay, ay. Interesting. Very interesting. Oh, I'm so tempted here to try to. Might be a good entry maybe right here once if we pull back to the 90s. But and we go right back down. Typical NQ. So typical. Oh. Going to do a duck race today? Yes, I am. I think officially have decided we are going to do a duck race. We're going to do a duck race before end of stream. I think this duck race, we're going to do this for this duck race, all right? We're going to have first place $75. This is going to be a cash race, okay? We're going to give away you got to have PayPal or some form that I can send money to you. But we're going to do $75 for first, $50 for second, $25 for third, okay? And we're going to have 15 entries. There's going to be 15 ducks. 15 ducks, top 3 win. And it's going to be a 3-minute race. So we're going to have it's going to be intense. I got to wait though. My youngest, my 3-year-old, I have to wait and make sure that he can watch the race because he's been asking for a duck race every day. Every day. He's like, Daddy, duck race. And then he's always, pink duck race. Oh, he's so cute. But he really remembers that duck race. But we're gonna have this is gonna be great. You're definitely not gonna want to miss it. We like our duck races on this channel. Whoever recommended doing duck races, high five to you because I think it's awesome. I think it's very I really enjoy it. Good morning, Traderist Chick. How we doing? But I do need to see a good amount of likes, okay? We need to really hit that like button today. Smash it. Smash that like button. Hey, the family's everything. 100%. Gutenberg. Could not agree more. Family and faith and friends. Family, faith, and friends is everything. If you have those 3 things in life, you can't ask for much more. And health. Health is one thing that is so easily taken for granted. I even do it. I take my health for granted, and you just have to see some people that don't have health and makes you really realize and be grateful for health. All right, look at this. Man, wow. So many wicks here. Like this looks so bullish and I should be jumping in on this. But then it does this. I just don't trust this anymore. I need to see. I really want this thing to break down. I want to break down below. I feel like Feel like at this point we need to get below this 50 level. Go test the overnight lows here at the 19,000s. And then maybe we get a push higher. But this is crazy how much this 70 level's been holding. Right now it'd be working. You just buy off the 63, 60 to 70 level. Buy right there. It's working right now. Hey, Soul Search Gurus. Oh, yes. Okay. Oh, really, Dean Bishop? Your wife is doing chemo treatments right now? Oh, wow. I'm really sorry to hear that. Now, I wish her the best. I mean, that's where it puts things in perspective, man. If you, like, I think we all have loved ones that are going through different health battles. And that's when it really hits you how much having health is something to be very thankful for. If you pass eval, how long do you have to activate your PA, Shane Chase? There's not really a time limit, Shane. The only thing is, if you don't activate it into a funded account before the rebilling date comes up for the eval that you passed, you will get charged again for that past eval. And trying to make a move again. Trying to get moving higher here. Kind of crazy, but it's almost also like at the point where, like, okay, let's just go lower. You can't go higher. You can't go lower. Maybe volatility's kind of dying out here. Maybe that's what's happening. Not sure I buy that, but I love it, Red Poker. Pass in one day, but it takes 7 days to get your account. That's too funny. That's too funny. All right, we're right back here to the 60s. Oh man, what are we gonna do here? I made you a commercial for Nutty Bar. What is my email? Are you serious? Trading at Raptor. My email is nuttybar1983@gmail.com. Yeah, I do think once we do break out, it will be pretty massive move. I do believe that. So I just don't, at this point, the fact we haven't gone lower is like, I mean, I guess maybe we will continue to go higher. It's a nuttybar1983 at gmail.com. All right, market. Market, just pick a direction and let's go. I really need to be going long right here. The longer this doesn't sell off, the more likely it is that this is gonna rip higher. You know what? I'm gonna take the move. Of course, this is gonna rip against me right away, huh? Okay. And I'm just gonna look for another move like this, something like this. Should have had my and pull him back. Tell you what, this market is weird. All right, right here, we got to break above. Right now, we can't get above the 90s. We got to get above the 90s here for this thing to have a chance. Oh my gosh, this is brutal. All right, I'm just going to move my stop to break even now. If it goes, it goes. If it doesn't, it's going to stop me out and we'll be... I'm not even that mad. Rip it. Come on. You can do it. You can do it, market. Nope. It's not going to do it. Yeah, we're going to get stopped here. Break even. Maybe. Come on, rip it. Yeah, it doesn't want to do it. That's the spirit. Let's go. She did rip it. That was close. We were this close to getting stopped out on break even on that one. Woo, that was close. Looks like it's going to keep going. She wants to keep going. All right, are we going to rip right through the VWAP here? Let's see. There she goes. We might be in. Look at this. Man, I need to just hold my trades a little longer. Ay, ay, ay. Would have been a sick entry again right there. Wow, look at that move. She going straight up. Man, do I jump in here? I was so close to buying right there on that small pullback. Okay, I just need to wait. This thing could just come right back down. Let's just be patient. Man, the more I think about it, I might need to just call it a day here. I've taken one. I did take a loss now. I have taken a loss now on one of my accounts, so maybe that's a sign. Crazy moves, Matt. I know. Crazy moves. Crazy moves, and we would have had some sick entries right here, right here. We just didn't hold them. We just didn't hold them very long. This is looking very bullish. Oh boy. But yeah, the fact that we kept hanging around here at the 70s and 60s, and the longer we failed to break through to the downside, I felt like it was a better chance that we are going to break out to the upside. But, you know, you never know. Now, let's just see if we continue. I'm too chicken to trade this now that you're back to green. Yeah, Matt, don't do it. It's not worth it. Yeah, then when it does move, everyone so this price action is brutal. Put a beer container around the garden, have fun counting that in the morning. No one is ever happy. There's always someone that won't be happy. I agree. But I don't base I don't go through my life and my happiness or other people's happiness doesn't affect mine. The only time it does is if it's directly with if it's in with family and friends, then it does. Then sometimes it does. And the pullback starts. Where will it end? No one knows. Where it will end, no one knows. Maybe not even a pullback. We're right back up. Are we just going to maybe go right to that opening range high here at the 160s? That would be our standard 100-point move. Seems to be the standard nowadays. Does feel like this is gonna pull back now. Like right now, wouldn't be terrible to short right here, but never mind. That thing's looking like it's still bullish. She wants to go. Yeah, she's going for this 160 level right here. There it goes up to the 150. It's about to get to that 160. It's trying. Unreal. Oh, what a move here off. Man, oh man, I need to work on holding my trade. I hate taking shorts. I think I'll take a short here. I have done that. I have done that. Where you're like, oh man, I don't want to go short up here. Or I'm like, yeah, I don't want to chase this. Don't want to go long. 2 minutes later, I'm long. Oh, you love to see it. Oh, I need to use the restroom. I will be right back. And we're back. And look at that. We are, we went to the 160s precisely and have now pulled back to the 120s. Unbelievable. I mean, trading this range right now seems to be the play. And man, that is getting some big money. Get some big money doing that right now. Hey, Trading Ever After. I don't have access to watch that video you sent me. I requested access, so you should have an email. Wow, look at, here we go. I mean, are we really going to come all the way back down here? That is crazy if we do. But we could. I wouldn't put it past this market. She can be very crazy. Here we go. Here it goes. Holy, here it is. She ripping. Man, I should just take those shorts, but oof. I would just wait. See if this thing keeps ripping lower. Hey, green on PAs, but red on this take profit eval. Oh, I hear you, Black Coffee. I'm in the same funk. You don't want to see ES right now? Oh my gosh, I can only imagine. Actually, I want to see it because I want to be entertained. I want to laugh. Oh my gosh. Look at this absolute. This is the ugliest chart I've ever seen. Wow. That's ugly. See, right here would be an entry too. Gosh, yeah. I'm being very aggressive here. I'm not sure why. Gotta take the trades, I guess, if we see it. If the trades are there, we gotta take them. Man, I thought that would hit my profit there. Nope. And yeah, this looks like it wants to keep going. Need a big bullish candle here. Yeah, this might hit my stop. What? It hit one of mine. All right. Okay, we'll take the L on that one. Yeah, this looks like it's going to go all the way down again. That's crazy. Crazy, man. Or maybe not. Just for, oh, did you give me, can I see it now? Hang on. Man, it still looks like it wants to maybe go make a move here to the upside. Yes, we are about ready to do a duck race. I'm about ready to call it and do the duck race. It's getting close. It's getting very close. Let's actually let's do a little investigation here. Let's do a little investigation and see how many likes we have currently. Oh no, guys. We haven't even reached 100 likes yet. I don't like whoring myself out for likes, but I mean, we got to do what we got to do. We got to see a little more love. We got to see a little more smashing. We got to smash that like button. Come on, man. It's my first duck race, Tate. You're a little nervous. Well, you first need to be actually selected to enter the duck race. That's the first challenge. But once you get above that, then yeah, then we're good. Slackers, hit the likes. That's right, you slackers. Winner must send picture. Oh my gosh. That is a horrible trend. Oh. Oh man, oh man. Hey, let's go, Rain 1980. I want to pick you for an entry at least. Duck duck goose. And look at this pullback again. Yeah, this is my signal. This is a sign. Let's call it here today, folks. Let's get this duck race started. Actually, okay. I gave you guys a minute. Let's see how many likes we now have. If we still don't have 100 likes, my level of disappointment is going to be astronomical. Thank you. 120 likes. Let's go. All right, I feel like we can do a duck race now. I'm gonna do a 10-minute entry. Okay, so you guys are gonna have 10 minutes to enter, and then in that time frame, I'm gonna go get my 3-year-old. I'm gonna go get my 3-year-old, and he's gonna be here. He needs to be here for the duck race. He will be so sad. He will be so sad if he finds out that we did a duck race without him. All right, let me give me a second, guys. Let me set up the giveaway here. Wow, look at this move. Okay. Giveaway has started. Sorry, guys. Giveaway wasn't going yet. Everybody calm down. Now the giveaway is going. So if you put in exclamation mark Nutty, you got to put it in again. Duck race is officially happening. Exclamation mark Nutty. And you shall be entered into the infamous duck race. You will not want to miss it. You guys have 10 minutes to enter into the duck race. You got plenty of time. Oh my gosh, chat is on steroids. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, all right. Final trade. I just took my final trade of the day. Okay. Look, we are 5,500 in profit. We have traded 15 of our 14 or 15 of the 19 accounts. We only got 4 more accounts we haven't traded. The only account I might still trade today at some point is this account here. The Behemoth. I have not traded the Behemoth today, so kind of wouldn't mind trading that account. Get maybe 300-400 in profit. But man, this has got to be one of my better days I've ever had, I think. As far as just consistent profit. Hey, Advance, thanks for the sub. I appreciate that. Oh, we're 3 subs away. We're 3 subs away from 11,500 subs. I almost sure that there's 3 of you in chat that have full intention and you think you're subbed. You think you're subbed, but you're actually not. Just check. If you want to be subbed, just double check, make sure you actually subbed. I bet there's 3 of you out there that have full intention of subbing. They want to be subs. But, look at that. 11,500. Let's go. Let's go. See? I love it. Thanks, whoever it was. I didn't get a notification yet on who subbed, but I appreciate it. Let's go. Schlanchund. Hey, I love it. You're not subbed, Orlando. I am so offended if you're not subbed. Like, for real. Hey, look at that. 506 now. Let's go, you guys. See, you guys are awesome. Just need a little encouragement. JD. Friends. JD Fress. Thanks for the sub. Nigel, thanks for the sub. Richuala, thanks for the sub. I like it. I love it. You guys are awesome. Just unsubscribed and resubbed. I don't think that's going to help. Let's go. We're on a sub train. Oh, look at that. Someone unsubbed. If I find you, don't let me find you. Oh. Oh, really? Oh, okay. Tom O. Okay. Using the sub copier. Subathon. Oh, is YM still just on a complete bender? Yep. YM is on a complete bender. She don't care. She don't care. I'm starting to think that YM might be the crazier chick, like what might be actually crazier than NQ. It's like that, how do they say? It's the guy they tell you not to worry about. That's YM. Let's go, Almighty. I appreciate that. Yeah, actually, if you unsubscribe and resubscribed, uh-oh. Now you just lost all your data, all your years worth of hard work of being subbed for a year. That probably didn't really benefit you anything, but hey. All right, guys, we got 4 minutes. 4 minutes till the infamous duck race. I'm actually gonna go get. I'll wait till about 2 minutes left, and I'll go get. I'll go get Cody. It's the guy. It's the girl that told you not to worry about the guy. Yeah. Imagine if Kid Poker wins. That would be awesome. Maybe I'll enter another duck with Cody's name, like my 3-year-old, and if he wins, then what would I get? What would he win? I'm afraid then we're gonna have. This is gonna. The unfortunate part of that is it's gonna legitimize John's claim that the duck race is rigged. I cannot give him that satisfaction. I want to see Grizzly's 30 accounts. Poor Grizzly. I forgot about Grizzly. Grizzly was on a bender one day. He was on a bender. He had probably created 10 accounts, and I kept banning every one of them. Poor guy. Poor guy. Ooh, black coffee. That's not a terrible idea. Would you guys be down for that? I'll add another duck, and that's going to be Cody's duck, my 3-year-old. And if his duck wins, then he gets to pick. If he places in the top 3, then he gets to pick whatever duck he wants as the winner. Ooh, that would be a whole different level of rigged races. I love myself a good rigged duck race, okay? He gets an eval account. He gets an eval account. I love it. I feel like he I wish I need to make the duck be pink, because I know he's going to just cheer for the pink duck, because the one time that Cody was watching, the pink duck won, and he's been on he cannot stop talking about this duck race. On Monday, he trades one of my accounts. Oh dear. Yeah, we can't do that. Oh man. Okay, we got 1 minute left. 1 minute 40 seconds left in the giveaway. If you have not entered, hit !Nutty, all lowercase. You'll be entered to possibly be the duck race. First place will win $75. Second place will be $50. Third place will be $25. You can spend the money however you see fit. But man, this price, this market, very choppy. 100 or 30, 40 point range just in this move alone. It's crazy. We've got a lot of entries. I'm going to White Castle if I win. Let's go. Exclamation mark Nutty. That's right. Get entered into that infamous duck race. All right, guys. I'm gonna go get the it's about to end. We are 20 seconds away. 20 seconds away. 15 seconds. Man, some of you guys are really playing with fire entering this late. 8 seconds. The $85 lifetime fee ends August 15th. And the giveaway is officially over. I'm pretty sure Chaley Trades, you were entered. Oh, Mr. Wall Street. Oh, man. There's always people. Are you guys purposely waiting to enter Nutty right at... Wait. Yeah, you can no longer enter the giveaway. Okay. All right. Actually, you know what? Let's do... let's pick all the names, and then I'll go get Cody. That's going to be easier that way. All right. Here we go. Here we go, boys. I wish you all much luck on getting picked. All right, make sure we do this right. We're going to have 3 minutes. Oh, whoops. Okay, I'm ready. All right, here we go, boys. Let's, I wish you guys all the best. I hope you get entered. We're going to pick 15 names. There's going to be 15 ducks in the race, all right? This will give you a name in the race. And here we go. Pick winner. First one is Ryan H. Okay, Ryan H. I like it. I like it. All right. Next winner is MZ316. Congratulations and good luck. Next one is Mario Bonchik. I don't know. You know. Next one. Hard Hat Trading. Let's go, Hard Hat Trading. That's good luck, sir. Next one, Jeffrey Hall. Jeffrey Hall. Next one with an opportunity. Oh, look at that. Carngill. Carngill with a chance, with an entry into the famous duck race. Congratulations and good luck. And the next one, Eva Tompkins. Good luck. Good luck, ma'am. And the next winner, or not winner, but participant, Brent Rycraft. Brent Rycraft. Good luck. And the next one, F. Aitken. F. Aitken. Good luck, sir. Next one, Yassine Udiki. All right, all right. Nice. Good luck, sir. And the next one, we need to get rid of 5 names now. All right, here we go. Trading Ever After. Well, would you look at that? Trading Ever After with a chance. And you have an entry to the duck race. Let's get it. All right, we have 4 more names. 4 more names. These are bots. No, they're not. A Meta Crypto 5000. That might be a bot. I'm not going to lie. That could be a bot. If it is, it's just too bad. Next one, Zeke. Zeke the Plumber. I like the name. I like the name. 2 more names, folks. 2 more names. Be fun. Probably Daryl Martin's alt account. MDK with a chance. Congrats and good luck, sir. Okay, guys, this is it. This is it. Final name. Will it be you? It's me. Man, okay. That sounded like it was rigged, but it wasn't. It me. I said, will it be you? And then the name I picked, it said, it me. I'm sorry, that's too funny. Oh, that is too funny. Okay, now we have 15 names, and we're going to enter another name for my 3-year-old, and his name's going to be on here too, and here's how we're going to do it. If he gets top 3, he gets to pick whatever duck is still showing, and then that person will take his spot in whatever place he placed in the top 3. All right? So, here we go. All right. Let's show this. Let's shut this down. You know what I should do? Stop calling me. I'm busy. I'm doing a duck race. Don't call me. All right. Can you guys see this okay? I feel like let me hide some of my junk on my. We don't need to see my payouts. No one cares about that. We don't need to see the clock right now. Let's hide that. We can make this a little bit bigger. All right. All the ducks are lined up, ready to go. And I'm just gonna go get Cody. I'll be right back. Oh, I have bad news. I forgot. Cody's not here. The wife and the kids went out to do some shopping. I completely forgot. Oh, that's unfortunate. He's gonna be so sad. I need to take off his name now. Thankfully, I copied all the names before I left. So I just need to remove his name. And we are done. All right. All right, boys. Are we ready? What kind of show is this? I'm sorry. We try. Okay, guys. Is everybody ready? We got a 3-minute race here, so we're going to have to save our breath a little bit. We're going to have to pace ourselves. Here we go. And we're off. Now, hang on. We need to get, you guys need sound. You guys need to hear the ducks. All right, here we go. We have an early leader is Meta Crypto 5000. And Me is also looking pretty good with a nice start. Yassine is looking pretty good. Oh, Yassine's picking up speed here. Now, we've all seen this race before. And we've all seen this race before. Usually it's not a good sign if you're leading early. It's these that from the back, they really make a move. Here comes Mario. Mario is putting on some speed here. Mario looking pretty good. Me has a lot of stamina. She's still coming in strong, not giving up. Right now, MZ making a move. F8can is also looking good. Oh, here comes Carngill. Carngill with the do-rag, and he is making a move into first place. Can he hold it? Cargill with a lead, almost half a length. He's looking good, folks. We have a 1 minute and 45 seconds left. Uh-oh, Cargill might be running out of stamina. Eva Tompkins, she's looking real good. She has just put on the speed. Uh-oh, now she's slowed down. Oh, we've got a neck-and-neck race. This is a close one, folks. Everyone is in play here, except MDK. I don't know what happened to you, MDK, but it doesn't look good for... Oh, look at this. The pink duck. Zeke the plumber. Oh, he showed promise and quickly faded. Here comes Brent. Brent all of a sudden coming out of nowhere, taking the lead. And now we got Ryan H., Brent, Yassine, and we got Mario. Mario making a push. We're down to under a minute, folks. This is the home stretch. Here we go. Uh-oh. Brent is looking strong, though. Brent with a length of lead, and he is not letting up. But does he have the stamina? We have seen this before, the last 30 seconds. Uh-oh, here comes Eva Tompkins. She's putting on speed. She's putting on speed. She's looking good. Oh, out of the back, MDK. He was reserving his energy. MDK is pushing ahead. He has a length lead. 20 seconds left. Can he hold? Oh, what happened to Meta Crypto? Pretty sure Meta Crypto just stumbled and fell. MDK, he tried. He just is not going to be able to push across. It is looking good for Eva Tompkins. Oh, here comes Yassine. Here comes It Me. It Me from nowhere. He wins. No shot. No shot. That came out of nowhere. That came out of nowhere. Oh, we have got to see this photo finish. Oh, we've got to see this. Man, we need to be able to do replays because that... I don't want to say it, but that little blank came out of nowhere. It Me. Oh, my stars. He came out of nowhere. Now, in second place is Yassine. And then in third place is Mario. And it looks like we had fourth place was Zeke the plumber. The pink duck, it was this close. It was so close. Oh, man, that was a crazy race. I'm telling you what. It Me, he came out of nowhere. Poor MDK. Man, MDK, if I'm you, I would definitely pull that duck aside. And I think you need a different strategy. You went for it, and you just didn't have enough stamina. I really like the strategy. MDK, in the very beginning, he was just waiting. He was waiting and waiting. He saw an opening. And he took it, and it was just not enough. Just not enough. Oh, man, what a race. What a race. All right, that was pretty awesome. I don't care who you are. That's funny. Okay. All right, here we go. Let me drop my... let me drop the... email in the chat here. Give me a second. Let me drop the I mean, that has to be the most entertaining 3 minutes of the channel. It might be in the channel history. We need to start doing drug testing beforehand. John is further evidence. This race is rigged. What you guys don't know is in the back end, I can tell and I can give, like, I got all kinds of controls here and give speed to the ducks that you guys don't see. I'm just kidding. I can't do it. I promise it's not rigged. I'll be a duck race narrator. I found my next calling. Hey, It Me. Yes. Okay. So here's what you guys do. It Me, Yassine, and Mario. I need you guys to send me an email. I dropped the link. I dropped the email right there in chat. I need you guys to send me an email, and I'll give you further instructions from there. But Oh man, that was a fun time. I'm trying to figure out. Is there a way? Ooh, is there a way that I can show a replay? I really need to see a replay of someone. We need the ability to see replays, okay? There's got to be a way, right? There's got to be a way. Oh man, that was too good. That was too good. Called rewind on your YouTube channel and mute the video. Sometimes I really am pretty stupid. Here, that is a very good point. That is a fair point. Just rewind my YouTube video. Okay, that was fair. That was fair. From now on, that's how we rewind. Here I was trying to figure it out. Sometimes I'm just what do they say? A brick shy of the full load. Oh man. Oh, that's rough. That's rough. Anyway. That's too funny. That was a great duck race, though. That was a great duck race. That was great. All right, remember $50 to first place. $75 to first place, $50 to second place, and third place gets $25, and you will like it. Hey, Nutty, have you ever accidentally made too much and then purposely lost with no issues from an Apex? I'm pretty sure I've done that. Yes, Marvin. Yeah, I've done that. I have not had any issues. But yeah, that shouldn't cause any issues, Marvin. Man. And everybody's telling me, rewind the video, rewind the video. Oh, that's too funny. All right, I got 2 of your emails. Awesome. All right, guys, it's that time. I'm going to send out the codes, 4-digit code. You attached a screen grab so you know it's me. Oh, that works. That works. Me has already verified himself, so that works. Again, congratulations to everyone that participated. Thanks for participating and congratulations. All right, 4-digit code has been sent to Yassine and Mario. Mario, you are approved. Let's go. Nice try, guys. Nice try. You guys didn't quite get it there, but 69. All right, now I just need Yassine. There we go. Yassine is also verified. Let's go. That was fast. I always like when the winners respond very quickly and a very painless process. How do people play the game? You have to be here when I open the giveaway. and then by pressing the keyboard faster. That would take things to a whole different level, Sharoos, if the people that are in the race, like, you know, you have arrow buttons on your keyboard, and the faster you push those, the faster your duck goes. that would be awesome. We'd have to put out disclaimers that I'm not responsible for any injuries to fingers, and I'm not responsible to any broken keyboards. That would be funny. You know, people be here. All right, market pulled back to the opening range high and now trying to break out above the 190s again. But I think I'm done. I'm done trading for the day. I think. Even though I think it, depending how the market shapes up, there is, I guess, a possibility. I would love to still be able. I would love to trade my behemoth account. I came for the trading, but you're staying for the ducks. I love it. You bring your duck boots next time. Hey, there's Meta Crypto 5000. We were kind of wondering if you're a bot, but verification, you're not a bot. I love to see it. Okay, Mario, ready to send your money. Now I need to rewind the stream and see actually which place you were. Okay, Mario was in third place. All right. All right, here we go. Getting this sent. There we go, Mario. Okay, and then it me, ready to send it me $75 for first place. And we got that done. And finally, last but not least, get the money sent to Yassine for second place, which is $50. Ooh, I almost sent him 500. Okay. Oh, wow. We did break out. Broke above the 190s, above the 200s. She going higher, folks. All right. Okay, guys. All the money has been sent. First, second, third place. Congratulations. And everyone else, I'm sorry you didn't win, but I hope you had fun. And better luck next time, I guess. All right. All right, boys. Okay. What did I miss in chat? Hey, did you guys get your accounts yet? How's it looks like some of you did. Mario. Hey, Mr. Push Up. Yeah. The #1 duck racer on YouTube. Hey, let's go. Meta Crypto, Cleveland Ohio in the building. Let's go. I can't wait for Brown season to start. You guys, hey, you're welcome, Hit Me. You're welcome. All right, market. Looks like this thing wants to rip it higher. All right, guys, I am going to call it here. And I mean, honestly, this is one of my better trading days I think I've had that I can remember. I know last week we had a higher profit amount, but that was primarily because of the behemoth account. Very happy with having traded all of my accounts almost. Get another traded day in right now. My 150Ks. I haven't even really been paying that close attention to the balance, but we're getting there. We're slowly getting to that. We're about a little bit over halfway, about halfway there, I guess. We still got work to do. It's a long ways from taking a victory lap. So, all right, guys, I am going to call it here, and I hope you guys all have a green day, and I hope you guys all have a great weekend. And we'll be here Monday. And take care, and God bless.